I'm hiding in here. They're going to red container like normal. Oh no, I think the plumber's here. Oh no.
Decoys out.
The plumber's supposed to show up.
Yeah, bomb is ramp. Bomb is ramp. So he's lit too. I shoot him like 3 times in the chest. Guys, are we listening? Like the ramp is free. We have nobody covering ramp.
This is bad news, Bears, guys. I got bad news.
You don't need to push outside.
Yeah, the plumber's here. This is bad news. I'll be back.
Oh!
Go away, okay.
What? You collided him?